The Learning Journey presents Puzzle Doubles Giant Series Puzzles. This giant-sized series of puzzle doubles from The Learning Journey feature not one, but two 5-foot-long puzzles in each set. This equals over 10 feet of puzzles, teaching ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, colors, and shapes.
Wow!
The bright, free-flowing 30-piece puzzle designs are great for kids and promote parent and child interaction with the beautifully illustrated scenes. The sturdy puzzle pieces fit together easily and help develop fine motor and problem-solving skills. The Learning Journey, making high-quality, award-winning products for your children.